I'm nervous now.
I don't like you.
I'm in Merthyr. There's an abandoned tunnel that used to be used for the railway. We need to go inside and have a look. Apparently there's like burnt cars, the lot. Let's go. No,
The
don't.
river only goes to the Bella. That's what I mean, that unless we can get past that.
Probably can.
Not to the best, it's going to go.
Don't say to Dad, Snake. To the full experience. What are we gonna do? Should we just go wellies? Oh my god, don't vape here. Why? Oh my god. This is stinking.
The room made out all painted and see the fucking end.
No.
And from the trip.
No ban.
In the middle, there's no water.
What?
Then it's being done.
Coming out, yeah. This has been the worst 20 minutes of my life.
Oh.